but just want to welcome you from our heart. And we are excited to start this journey. Quite exciting new thing.
Three messages. The first are three priorities: safety, safety, and safety.
Lot of surprises. These routes are not a regular tourist routes. So we're gonna do something completely off the beaten route. We are doing this expedition from west to east of India, from Goa to Kaziranga, through a lot of wildlife and some really interesting places. So this is one of our unique tours, customized tour on unique series.
We needed to do something different, so something that hasn't been done before. And with Vinod and his organization, we previously had done Kulu to Kanyakumari, and that was again very different route. This time we're going to go west to east, and we decided for the charity to do something with animals. So it's rhinos and tigers. Again, a route that hadn't been done before.
So this trip from Goa to Kaziranga was an absolute epic journey. Beautifully organized, taking us through all small towns and villages in India. I got to see my own country at very close quarters. There was so much of adventure on this trip. It was fantastic. Every day brought new challenges. And we had a fabulous group of people who we rode with for 21 days.
It was absolutely amazing. Amazing because the people, the crew were totally, it's like I cannot get any better team and better experience.
So, trip was fantastic, absolutely amazing. Never thought I'd do what I've done. It's been a real achievement. We've been off-road, we've seen things that I would never see before, so it's brilliant. The team at Discover Himalayas are absolutely fantastic. They can't do enough for you. It takes all the worries out of travelling. They are absolutely brilliant, and I hope to come back very, very soon.
It's expression of that.
Yes,
It is land with a free spirit, and I
Good.
got this feeling in my side, and I want to take it with me to home. And then another thing is that I was riding back as a pillion on Kaido, and I got this feeling on bike. So one thing I will do if I go to home and I get there.
You will get there.
Yeah, I will get there. I want to take my lessons. I want to ride my own rides.
From Discover Himalaya, we would like to thank you all being part of this unique journey with us. And it's been such a wonderful, you are a dream team to ride with. You are certain personality people would like to be around with, want to have you around, or there is so many people who would be so like, wow, how do you get these kind of people and friends around? And that's thanks to Kiran to put you all together with us, because we are out of 1.4 billion people, just nobody. Okay, so it connects the world like.